Actress Radhika Apte, who will soon be seen in psychological thriller Phobia, shot the complete film in just 28 days. Her character in the film is of a girl who suffers from anxiety disorder. Radhika says it was challenging to play such a role. At the trailer launch of the film in Mumbai on Monday, Radhika not only spoke about the difficulties she faced playing her part, but also how she got scared during the shoot of the film.
It was actually one of the I think most difficult films to do, because there was a lot of research that went into it, because it's, you know, a panic, when you get a panic attack, it's not like a stressful day ki aaj meri train miss ho jayegi to stress aa gaya aur panic ho gaya. It's an actual disorder, so it has its own symptoms, it's biological. मतलब जैसे बुखार आता है वैसे panic attack आता है, तो you can't do anything about it. It comes biologically, naturally to you. So I had to do a lot of research for that, and I think there's a very thin balance. We were trying to say a few things in the film, and we had to make it really grippy and edgy, and so it used to be lots of discussions on sets every day. We shot it in a very few days, so it was a very hectic schedule, and I think emotionally and physically it was a bit stressful to perform, but I think I had a great time playing Mehak. हाँ, मुझे डर तो बहुत चीज़ों से लगता है, पर I won't say that's कि मुझे phobia है, क्योंकि phobia is a proper disorder, तो वो मुझे नहीं है. But I have two very close friends who suffer from panic disorder. उसमें एक जो है उसको traveling का phobia है, और I know her for I think 20 years now. She was my teacher in school, and it's so much I've learned from her, so much. And another person I know in London who has agoraphobia, actually. So it was, when he came to me, actually the first meeting that we had, we met in Leaping Windows, and he told me the story. I said, I can't believe this, because I was actually doing some research on panic disorder with the same friend. And I said that this is a great coincidence that, you know, you've come with the same, at least the meet was the same.
कोई खास डर अभी आपके मन में किसी चीज को लेके चलता हो? अभी कुछ?
अभी तो ये है कि अगर फिल्म नहीं देखी तो बहुत मुझे डर लगेगा, तो जाके फिल्म देखो प्लीज. साइकोलॉजिकल थ्रिलर है ना, तो शूट करे तो बहुत सारी डिस्कशंस होती रहती है कि यार इससे इतना डर लगेगा या इससे डर लगेगा क्या, मतलब यू कॉन्स्टेंटली ट्राइंग टू कैलकुलेट कि किससे क्या होगा. And you know, when you're constantly performing, you feel like, हाँ, इससे इतना डर तो नहीं लगेगा ना, ये blah blah blah. 4 o'clock in the night, we packed up. I went home, and I went to like change and everything. I think ऊपर कोई तो कुछ furniture move कर रहा था, और मुझे कुछ तो सुनाई दिया, and you have no idea how I freaked out. मुझे इतना डर लगा, मैं बोल के hello hello करके I went through, like सब घर पे घूम के, finally I called Benedict, who was not in India, and I said, I can hear something, I can't sleep, and I have a call time in like 4 hours, and what to do? And then the next day I went to Pawan, I said, छोटा भी आवाज आएगा, मैं डर जाऊंगी, so let's just put it in. So I don't know, it just, oh my God, it was scary. I couldn't sleep that day. There is some thought in it, there is our heart and soul, and there is something that we are trying to say.
Directed by Pawan Kriplani, Phobia is set to release on May 27.